In this video, we're going to go over Builderall's WhatsApp messaging tool. What is up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to be covering Builderall's WhatsApp messaging tool. And Builderall's WhatsApp messaging tool is a powerful new tool that allows you to send bulk WhatsApp messages via your own number. And you can also set up for it to be autoresponder, and you can integrate it with other tools inside Builderall, such as the autoresponder and other tools as well. So it's very powerful in the fact that WhatsApp messaging has over a 90% open rate, as opposed to email, which has an industry average of around 15%. So it's very, very powerful on reaching people, and if you can build up a nice list on there and you have permission to use other people's phone numbers on there, you can reach people a lot more than other mediums such as chatbot and email marketing. So without further ado, let's jump in.
This allows you to mass message people or send follow-up messages through the WhatsApp tool. So let's jump in and have a little look. So once you've connected your WhatsApp to the tool, you'll be able to send individual messages through here, and you can authenticate your WhatsApp account. And then if we come into Messenger, it's going to warn you that sending out mass messages is against terms of service and can get you banned. So to be careful with how you use the application. So you just click on continue, and then you can put in the cell phone numbers and the message and then mass send to people. So you must receive people's permission for this, so only use numbers that you've actually collected on websites. Don't buy lists of cell phone numbers and mass spam people. They must have opted in to receive information from you. So as you know, WhatsApp is very responsive, a lot more responsive than Messenger, a lot more responsive than email, than browser notifications, than anything. So when done right, the Builderall Zap, the WhatsApp integration, can be your most powerful marketing tool.
So there was a very quick overview of the WhatsApp messaging tool inside of Builderall, and as you can see, it's really cool how you can set up bulk messaging and reach more people and get a really high open rate. So I hope you saw the value in this tool and are ready to get started with Builderall. If you haven't already, hit the link in the description to start your unlimited 7-day free trial of all of the tools, including the WhatsApp messaging tool inside of Builderall. And as always, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I'll see you in another video.